Hello guys, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this series of Matlab tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a linear fit in Matlab using the method of least squares. This is the part 2 of the video. So this method is called the method of least squares or a linear regression method. So now imagine you have a data file which has two columns x and y, and we would like to fit our data with a function y is equal to mx plus c. The fit will give you the slope m and the intercept c. Now also we would like to know what is the error in our fitting, that is delta m and your delta c. Now this is a schematic of your experimental data, and this blue region is the fitted dot. Okay, so this is a schematic of how what is the meaning of linear regression. So this is a schematic of how it looks. So the red square symbols are the experimental data and the blue is the linear fit. Now the meaning of best fit is that when your experimental data, that is the y that is the f function f minus the fitted data is a minimum. So the method of least squares has been discussed extensively, and you can get many literature in this context. Now, for the purpose of this video, I would like to emphasize on the following things. So the m is given by this expression, where n is the number of data points and xi and yi are the individual data for the x column and the y column respectively. So the slope is given by this quantity, the base slope, and the intercept is given by this quantity. The error in fitting for the slope and intercept is given by this, and how good or bad is your fit, it is determined by the coefficient called the correlation coefficient r. So if r is equal to plus minus 1, then your fit is excellent, and your fit should be appreciably good if your r value of r is close to 1. So without much of a delay, let's get started to the programming. Now, okay, so let's get started. So this is the code what I have written for this, and so let me explain you this code. So this is the point which to import and then plot the data. So let's run only this part of the code. So you can see this is my data point, and I would like to fit this data with a linear function and find the slope and intercept and the goodness of the fit, that is r. So basically this is a sum of x, this is sum of y, and this is sum of xi into xi, that is xi square, that is sum of yi into yi, that is yi square, this is sum of xy, this is sum of xi whole square, this is sum of yi whole square. Now the slope and the intercept is given by this quantity, so this m is slope and this is intercept. Now the error of fitting is given by this em and ab. Now we would also like to fit our data, and then we also like to show the fitted curve, and so we generate the fitted curve using this equation yn is equal to m into xn plus b, where n and m and b are the slope and intercept, and xn is a array defined by this quantity. Okay, so as you can see, this red circles are the experimental data, and this black solid line is a fitted line with the equation y is equal to mx plus c. In this case, the intercept is this, and the error in intercept is this, and the slope is 9.29, and the error is 0.047, and the goodness of the fit, or the goodness of the fit r is 0.991. If you like this video, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.